Dressing for the camera can be a delicate balance, as what looks great to the human eye doesn't always work as well for the camera lens. Hi, I'm Travis Monroe of Mediamazing, and in this video, we're going to review the do's and don'ts of dressing for the camera. When video conferencing, you'll want to dress for success not only for your audience, but for the camera itself. Due to factors such as focal lengths and compression, there are certain colors and articles of clothing that do not look flattering on camera. If you wear jewelry, avoid items like a dangling necklace or something flashy like a large diamond. These are distracting to the viewer and can cause issues with your audio or be too reflective. Wearing glasses is fine as long as they are non-reflective, and if you apply makeup, try to keep it more neutral. Avoid bright and glossy lip gloss, as they can also be reflective. You should also avoid items that have a complex pattern or stripes when on camera. Cameras struggle with capturing the details of these items and can cause various effects, including moire. Instead, go for a more solid color. If you have multiple layers, try to have contrasting colors. Avoid any fabrics that are heavy, really loose, or really tight. I hope you found these tips useful in your next video conference call. For more tips on video conferencing, click the link above.